Environmental and cultural assets need to be valued by our communities for them to want to participate. Our parks have become so important, especially over the last couple of years with COVID, to have people outside and enjoying nature. I've spent today in Melbourne, in my capital city, and it was a concrete jungle. And I felt so much better getting out into the country. And that's what we need to encourage to do. Get out of the cities, get out into our parks and reserves, and you will feel better. Even just having the sunlight on you and walking on a very simple walking track can have overwhelming health benefits.